What's up, Bitcoin fanatics, and welcome back to the Bitcoin Bulletin. Get ready, because we're diving headfirst into the most explosive crypto news of the week, starting with a look at the age-old question, XRP versus Bitcoin. Is Ripple's token finally ready to take on the undisputed champ, or is Bitcoin's store of value narrative too strong to overcome? We'll break down the arguments for both sides, looking at their unique strengths and weaknesses. Next up, we're talking about massive market movements. A legendary Bitcoin whale, known for offloading a staggering 36,000 BTC, has reactivated their selling spree on the Hyperliquid exchange. What does this mean for Bitcoin's price as it hovers around the $116,000 mark? We've got the details on this massive investor's moves and the potential ripple effects. And the corporate crypto accumulation continues. Refine Group, a Swedish company, has just acquired an additional 1.4 Bitcoin, bringing their total holdings to over 5 Bitcoin. We'll explore why Refine Group is systematically building its Bitcoin treasury and what this means for their long-term strategy and shareholder value. Is this a sign of things to come for other companies? Finally, we're dissecting the latest market analysis comparing XRP and Bitcoin head-to-head. Is Bitcoin's established position as a store of value too powerful, or does XRP's innovative approach to cross-border payments present a compelling alternative? We'll dive deep into the pros and cons of each. Don't go anywhere. Make sure you're subscribed and the notification bell is on so you never miss an update. XRP versus Bitcoin, which is the better buy right now? Is XRP finally ready to challenge Bitcoin's dominance, or is the king of crypto still the safer bet? We're diving deep into the investment cases for both of these digital assets, exploring what makes them tick and where they might be headed. Bitcoin, the OG of cryptocurrencies, boasts a market cap of $2.3 trillion and has seen a staggering 991% surge in the last 5 years. Its appeal lies in its fixed supply of 21 million coins, making it a digital gold, a decentralized store of value that's proven its durability over nearly 17 years. With no history of being hacked and a massive ecosystem supporting it, Bitcoin's staying power is undeniable. While often seen as an investment, innovations like the Lightning Network aim to boost its transaction capabilities, potentially adding even more upside. XRP, on the other hand, has captured recent attention with a 493% climb since last year's U.S. presidential election. Its innovative platform promises fast and cheap international transactions, a significant improvement over current slow and expensive systems. If XRP can snag even a small slice of the global cross-border payment market, estimated at $1 quadrillion, its price could soar. However, extreme volatility remains a major hurdle, and its price surge is largely seen as speculation rather than widespread adoption. The potential approval of spot XRP ETFs in October could be a catalyst, but this might already be priced in. The long-term risk for XRP lies in whether banks will truly embrace this new technology or stick to their lucrative traditional systems. So, which one takes the crown? While XRP's recent performance is impressive, Bitcoin emerges as the safer choice for long-term holding, thanks to its established position as a digital store of value. Will the market sentiment shift as more companies like Refine Group load up on Bitcoin? Stay tuned as we break down a massive Bitcoin whale's return to the selling spree. Hyperliquid Bitcoin whale reactivates massive selling spree. Is a colossal Bitcoin whale about to shake the market again? The investor infamous for dumping a staggering 36,000 BTC is back, and their recent activity on the Hyperliquid exchange is sending shockwaves through the crypto community. This particular whale, who held their Bitcoin for over 8 years with virtually no movement, previously liquidated approximately $4.04 billion worth of BTC starting August 20th. Following that massive sell-off, they surprisingly acquired nearly $4.07 billion in Ethereum on the Hyperliquid exchange before going quiet for about 2 weeks. Now, they've reactivated their selling spree, reportedly depositing over 1,176 BTC to Hyperliquid as Bitcoin's price climbed above the $116,000 mark. Even after this recent transaction, the whale still holds a substantial 49,000 BTC across 4 wallets. The market is buzzing with speculation about what this means. Will this whale continue to sell, potentially turning the $116,000 level into a significant resistance point if new buyers don't step in? Or will they follow their previous pattern of rotating out of Bitcoin and into altcoins like Ethereum or Solana? We've already seen capital flowing into ETH and Sol, with reports of Galaxy Digital alone accumulating over 1.2 million Sol in a single day. As Bitcoin trades around the $114,765 mark, this whale's next move could dictate short-term price action. Could this whale's selling pressure be offset by a Swedish company's systematic Bitcoin accumulation? We're diving into Refine Group's latest acquisition next. Refine Group acquires an additional 1.4 Bitcoin for approximately SEK 1.5 million. Corporate crypto treasuries are growing. Refine Group OB has just boosted its Bitcoin holdings, signaling a continued commitment to digital assets as part of its long-term strategy. Refine Group announced it has acquired an additional 1.4 Bitcoin at an average price of roughly SEK 1,075,353 per BTC, totaling an investment of approximately SEK 1.5 million. This latest purchase brings the company's total Bitcoin holdings to 5.13 BTC on its balance sheet. CEO David Wallander emphasized that this acquisition is a continuation of their strategy to systematically accumulate Bitcoin, with plans for ongoing purchases in the near term to build a significant long-term position for both Refine Group and its shareholders. This move highlights a growing trend among companies looking to diversify their asset portfolios and hedge against inflation by adding Bitcoin to their reserves. Investors and analysts are watching closely to see if this systematic accumulation by Refine Group will inspire similar strategies in other publicly traded companies, potentially increasing demand and solidifying Bitcoin's role as a corporate treasury asset. But what happens when a massive Bitcoin whale decides to unload? We're talking about a legendary investor's return to the selling spree next. XRP versus Bitcoin, which is the better buy right now? When it comes to crypto investments, the debate between XRP and Bitcoin rages on. While Bitcoin stands as the established store of value, XRP presents an intriguing case with its focus on revolutionizing cross-border payments. Let's break down which digital asset might be the smarter play for your portfolio. Bitcoin, with its $2.3 trillion market cap and nearly 1,000% growth over 5 years, is often seen as digital gold. Its scarcity, with a hard cap of 21 million coins, and its decentralized nature make it a robust store of value. It's been around for nearly 2 decades, never hacked, and boasts immense brand recognition. While primarily an investment vehicle now, initiatives like the Lightning Network are paving the way for faster, cheaper transactions, adding another layer to its long-term potential. XRP, meanwhile, has seen a remarkable 493% surge, driven by its potential to transform international money transfers. Its platform enables fast, low-cost transactions, which could capture a significant portion of the massive global payments market. However, extreme volatility is a major concern, and its current price action appears more speculative than adoption-driven. The upcoming decision on spot XRP ETFs could be a catalyst, but the true test for XRP will be its adoption by banks and financial institutions, a process that could be slow and uncertain. Ultimately, while XRP offers exciting disruptive potential, Bitcoin remains the safer, more established choice for investors seeking a long-term store of value. Its proven track record and ongoing development solidify its position as the leading cryptocurrency. But is a massive Bitcoin whale about to disrupt the market with a huge sell-off? Find out in our next segment. And that's a wrap on today's Bitcoin Bulletin. We saw Refine Group continue its strategic Bitcoin accumulation, a massive whale reactivate a huge selling spree, and dove deep into the XRP versus Bitcoin debate, concluding Bitcoin is likely the safer long-term hold. What a week! Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this valuable, subscribe for more daily crypto insights, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Follow us on all social platforms for real-time updates. We'll see you tomorrow.